Hey guys, my birds. Look at them. I'm poking. I'm poking. Come on, this one. Come on, don't be scared. Chill out. Chill. Come on. You wanna have fun today? Why not? Am I that scary to you guys? Oh yeah, stay together. Just 'cause you're both guys and obviously kiss and everything. What the fuck are you doing? Don't run away from me. Love me. You have to love me. You're birds. My birds. You have to love me. Even though you don't have names. So I just call you blue one and you green one. So, still, love me. Love me. Love me. Love me. Love me. Ow! Okay. Well, that hurt. Since you guys don't obviously love me, I'm selling you guys to Heather. Yeah. Then her cat Nala will eat you both. Yeah. Ha! Love you.